Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Melissa. I love doing Ipsy unboxings and all things beauty, lifestyle. So this month I received my January box a little bit early and I literally opened up my door, saw it hanging on my porch, and I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta get my makeup done and get this unboxed immediately. I am so excited. I'm just ready to dive right in. If you are new here, please go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe and maybe even leave a comment saying hi. We're just gonna dive right into our little Ipsy box here. The theme this month is Glow Your Soul. And this is January's glam bag. I think it is so beautiful. I love the color and the glitter. I'm not gonna lie, I think this is like top 3 favorite Ipsy bags. I think it's so pretty and it's very mermaidy, so of course I love it. All right, we're just gonna dive right inside. We have this Lucky Chick Daydream palette, it looks like. This is an eyeshadow palette. Let's see the colors inside. Okay, it's like a little mini. It has a few shimmers in there and then a lot of neutrals, which I have been just loving my neutrals lately. Next, we have a Lauren's Vanilla Almond Body Lotion. Oh my gosh, I have to try this. This is also a nice little mini. I'm actually going on vacation soon, so I'm literally going to throw all my minis into a bag and use them for my trip. It's the perfect time to send over a body lotion because your girl's skin is so dry. The winter weather months are just so terrible for my skin. So it doesn't really have a scent, like it's very minimal, but the texture is very, very thick. Up next we have, what is this? Ooh, we have a First Aid beauty product. This is a deep cleanser with red clay. Another little mini that I'm gonna add to my trip. I love when they send cleansers over that are travel size because they really, really benefit me. I travel quite a bit, so these are so useful for me. So I'm really excited to try this cleanser. I haven't tried this cleanser before. I'm not quite sure I've heard of it just yet either, but I'm really excited to give this a try. Up next we have this YC collection. This is Island Eyeliner. Oh my gosh, I have to open this and see what color this actually is. When I think of like island eyeliner, I probably think of like a creamy, like a cream color, maybe like a deep brown even, or the total opposite in green. Oh my gosh, it's actually like purple. I'm gonna test it on my hand here. Yeah, I wouldn't consider this color islandy, but it is a fun color. I'm not sure I would use it, but what do you guys think? It definitely goes with the purple bag, so they have a little matching there. And last in this little bag, we have this eye cream, 2020 eye cream from Verify. All right, that's everything in this little glam bag. Ugh, I'm just so obsessed. I can't even believe, like, this is the cutest bag I've seen in a long time, guys. Moving on, we're gonna go ahead and dive into the Ipsy Boxycharm box. All right, let's see. We have the Boxycharm ad this month. Obviously, the theme is Glow Your Soul. So this is really neat because inside it says the out list. What's out is in, and this is their ban on 32 ingredients and counting. So this is a way you can like learn about more new clean products, which I'm 100% into. Anytime I discover a product that I have is toxic or not good for me, I'm instantly over it. All right, the first thing I'm just gonna go ahead and grab in here. It's a facial oil from the brand Feel. I have not heard of this brand, so this will be a new brand for me to try. It does have vitamin C in it and it brightens skin. It reduces wrinkles. I love a good face oil, so I'm excited to give this one a try. Next we have this Farah's Smooth Face Primer. I've used a couple Farah products. I believe it was like an eyeliner, but I haven't tried her face primer, so I'm going to give it a try on my hand right here. I'm very, very picky with my face primers, as I've said in previous videos. I just feel like face primer is one of those things, like you're setting your face with this to have your makeup complete on it all day long. So a face primer is really important to get right for me. And honestly, so far, so good. It feels so smooth on my hand. It's not cakey feeling and it's not thick. It feels like I just put a little bit of lotion on it, but it also gives that feeling of like really soft and smooth new skin, kind of like how Smashbox makes my skin feel. So I'm excited to try this on my actual skin. Our next product is a Glow Recipe product. I love Glow Recipe. This is their Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Sunscreen. This is literally so perfect, you guys, because I am going on vacation and I'm gonna be out in the sun. So I'm really, really excited to give this one a try. I actually was just telling my boyfriend Adam this morning that I need to pick us up some face sunscreen because I don't have any left. I do use a lot of foundations that have sunscreen in them already, so this is so important to me to bring everywhere. This is a cute little container, so it's perfect for travel size. It's under that limit there. It is SPF 50, so you guys, this is my favorite product so far. Our next product here is LYS Beauty. This is Lash Confidence, so it is a clean mascara. I haven't tried the product that I can't remember what exactly it was. I did get one of their products sometime in the last couple months, but I haven't yet given it a try. But knowing that they're a clean beauty brand gives me confidence when using their products, so I'm excited to give this a try. And the brush also reminds me of the Better Than Sex brush, but like curved a little bit, so I'm really excited to see how this works on my lashes. And as a bonus, it's in a cute little tube. Like, this is really cute. And our last product here from Seraphine Botanicals. It's a Geranium and Glow Blush and Highlight Palette. This is really pretty packaging. I love the colors. They're adding in these lavenders and purples this month, and I'm just loving it. Lavender's my second favorite color. I'm really liking everything. It's certified vegan and cruelty-free. I'm really trying to get this open here though. I might just have to destroy the box. So on that note, I couldn't get it out without destroying the box a little bit, but at least the packaging inside is just as pretty. And okay, this is a really beautiful palette. I'm definitely gonna be trying this. I've actually been using like a creamy blush over powder blushes, but these are really, really pretty colors. I'm just gonna test the highlighter because highlighters sometimes can fool you. But this one's actually a pretty nice natural shimmer. It's not over the top. It's not super, super pigmented, but it's just like a nice little touch of shimmer. So that is actually all for this month's Ipsy unboxing. I have to say they didn't do too bad on January. I'm really excited to try out these specific products over the past couple Ipsy unboxings I've done. Let me know if you guys have received your Ipsys this month. And let me know if you're excited for any of these products. That's just what I really love about Ipsy, is that you can discover new products every month. And you never know, you might find something that you can't live without. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Bye, Happy New Year!